What is going on, YouTube? Tom here, and yes, I'm on my way to another Cars and Coffee on this Saturday morning. Despite of the hurricane, I'm still on my way. Hopefully there'll actually be people showing up, despite the fact that I don't know how many people are really going to show up during time when a hurricane is coming, but I'm still going. I actually do need to get gas for this car anyway. Hopefully it won't be price gouged or whatever. Basically, if you're a native Floridian, you know that hurricane basically just means a bunch of rain. Everybody who's not a native Floridian goes and stocks up on gas, water, toilet paper, all that. So, I'm just going to continue enjoying life. I'm really hoping it turns away from Myrtle Beach, because it is allegedly going to hit Myrtle Beach as well. And I'm like, please don't. That'd be our luck. But yes, today it is just me. Girlfriend has work, so it'll be just me. But don't worry, I'll be texting her pictures. She'll still see all of what I do. But I'm about to get out and head out. Hopefully traffic's not too bad. And again, hopefully I can get gas today at some point. Not that the car is truly out, but it does need some. But anyway, I'm gonna head out. I will see you all when I get there. inside the car to avoid copyright music. God, they do love their copyright music here. But I made it. Traffic is actually not that bad. I guess everybody's in fear of the so-called gas crisis to where they just rather stay home, which is fine. Fine by me. Stay off the road, people, so I can actually get where I need to go. Actually not a bad turnout, considering a lot of people probably did avoid it due to the hurricane. So we got this gorgeous red fox body next to me, Cobra. And then we got a nice work in progress. Oh, Mott's Mustang Coupe looks like a... I have to get out and look at the taillights. That's how I know them the best. Looks like 65 or 66, I think. Don't quote me on that. But overall, not bad. So hopefully cars continue to roll in. I'm about to start walking around. There's always a good turnout here. Even when you think it's going to be a bad turnout. No, it'll always end up being good. Boy. Yeah, guys, it's too hot today for this. I thought, man, it's gonna cool off a little bit because it is looking like it's gonna start raining soon. So I do want to get home before it does that, and I still do need to get gas. So yeah, not a bad turnout considering that we were supposed to get a hurricane. And yeah, we got clouds rolling in, so it's still probably gonna rain. It's just gonna be a regular Florida thunderstorm. So overall, not a bad turnout though. Still pretty good. Traffic was good, so I'm still hoping traffic is good on the way home. It's just still hot. It's 84 degrees. I actually had people from the Tampa Bay Times out here taking some pictures, so hopefully that'll be posted soon to that, because I actually want to share that, because that's pretty awesome to see. You got people as important as that. I don't know how important the Tampa Bay Times really is, but still cool to say, hey, yeah, we got local newspaper. But overall, it's still good. You still got the absolute just boatload of cars inside. I always love how they open up this dealership. Saw some pretty cool cars. Got that Shelby Super Snake though. That was a pretty amazing looking car. I know I couldn't make any of the commentary. However, they got the copyright music playing all over here, so there's not much I can do in terms of commentary. I know some of y'all really like that, but unfortunately I don't want to get a copyright strike. But yes, pretty awesome though to still see all these people, even in the face of a alleged hurricane. I'm about to head home and cool off, take a shower because I'm sweating. I really just hope this hurricane manages to miss Myrtle Beach, because as of right now, unless something comes out and says Mustang Week has been canceled, I'm still going. I told my girlfriend that. She was real worried about it. Like, oh, what if it hits Myrtle Beach while we're there? Don't worry, unless they say it's canceled, we're going. But let me know in the comment section below what you think about all of this, because still a lot of awesome cars. Let me know which one's your favorite, because there's still a lot to choose from. Anyway, if you liked this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you are stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe. Hopefully the next video I make, if it's not about the hurricane, it will be about Mustang Week. But anyway, take care, have a good day.